Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 30, Lesson 1, Exercises. Here we have practice with adverbs that are formed off of the ens, entis adjectives. So adjectives that end in ens or entis, or in ons and ontis, form their adverbs a little differently. They don't add a long e, rather they add enter or onter. So for example here, prudens, prudentis, meaning clever or smart. If you want to do something cleverly, it would be prudenter. And we'll see like constans is going to form its adverb as constanter. So the first one, vir prudens negotia sua blank aget. So a prudent man carries out his business prudently, prudenter. Agricola diligens agros blank colet. A hard-working farmer takes care of his fields, and we want here diligently, diligenter. And pastor negligens oves suas. So a negligent shepherd cares for his sheep carelessly or negligently. And so we want from negligens, negligenter. Okay, work on the rest of exercise 1, and let's do exercise 2. Our vocab exercise. You know the drill for your vocab. After you've practiced these and looked at them in context, let's try to use them. What blank dicitur quibus qui blank hora decima sumitur. What is the food called which is eaten at the 10th around the 10th hour? It is cena. Cena dicitur quibus qui, and we want the word for around or near, and we learned it just now, is circiter. Cornelius et Orontes amici et blank Julii ab Aemilia blank dum Julius in blank lavatur. Cornelius and Orontes, friends, and the word for guests we want here, which was hospites of Julius. Another word that means accipiuntur, are accepted, and we learned another one for that was recipiuntur. Dum Julius in, while Julius is being bathed in the balneo. And Aemilia maritum suum blank excusat. Aemilia excuses her husband, her late husband. So we're going to use the word from which we get our word tardi. Tardum maritum suum. Julius tarde revertit ex agris. Julius returned late from the fields because he walked for too long a time, and the word there that we learned was diu, a long time. Okay, go through and try exercise 2 on your own, and let's try exercise 3. Quid agit Julius ex agris reversus. So what does Julius do, having returned from the fields? Julius ex agris reversus lavatur in balneo. He is washed in the bath. Ex agris reversus Julius balneum petit. Having returned from the fields, Julius seeks the bath. Again, if you give a correct form, go back and try to give this sentence the way that Orberg wrote it. Lavaturne Julius aqua frigida tantum. Is Julius washed only in cold water? Non solum in aqua frigida, sed etiam in aqua calida Julius lavatur. Julius is washed not only in cold water, but also, sed etiam, in hot water, calida aqua. Dominus et aqua calida et aqua frigida lavatur. The master is washed in both hot water and in cold water. And qui adveniunt dum Julius vestem novum induit. Who arrives while Julius is putting on his new clothes? Go ahead and try that answer and the rest of exercise 3. And when you're done, we'll head back to lesson 2.